How to log into Google Chat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on logging into your Google Chat account. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Google Chat app is installed in your device. Proceed by launching it and opening the app. Sometimes you will be automatically logged into any specific Google account in your device, or you will be greeted with the page showcasing various options. And you will be presented with the list of Gmail accounts that you are currently logged into your device. To access the Google Chat, simply select the Gmail account you wish to use for the authentication. You have now the flexibility to choose any of the Gmail account listed. Alternatively, if you prefer to utilize a new Gmail account, you can easily do so by selecting Add Another Account by tapping on the Continue Add New Account, and enter your email address and password to seamlessly log in into your Google Chat through your Google account. And by following the simple steps, you can effortlessly log in and access your Google Chat account. So this straightforward process ensures a hassle-free login experience, granting you immediate access to your conversations and contacts within the Google Chat. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.